Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information channel. Today in this video I am going to show you to explain the complete wiring diagram of the Perkins 403C model. It's a very commonly used engine, especially coming in a Perkins generators, excavator, loaders, as you can see in bobcat engines. As you can see, this is a very small type of engine, 3-cylinder, naturally aspirated non-turbo engine. Okay, and it's very reliable and very strong engine in a Perkin company. As you can see, in this category we have two models, 403 model and 404 model. Okay, this is the 403 model. Okay, I'm completely explaining the wiring diagram of this engine. Okay, this engine wiring diagram is a little bit different from the other engine because this is how separate AC alternator and also have separate voltage regulator. Okay, the voltage regulator is separately mounted on an engine block and alternator is separately making 14 volt AC. Okay, and then giving to the voltage regulator, and then voltage regulator rectify the voltages and maintain the voltages and charge your battery and keep on your fuel solenoid and also some other fuel pump during engine operation. Okay, so don't you're wasting your time. Before starting the video, a small request to all newcomers: if you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to get a more latest update video. So let's move to the wiring diagram and explain. So first of all, let me select the let me select the page of the wiring diagram. As you can see, our wiring diagram is on a page 124. So let me select first page 124. Here is our 124 page. Okay, as you can see, this is our complete wiring diagram. This is the complete wiring diagram block structure. As you can see here, we have each components in this wiring diagram and mentioned with the numbers. First of all, as you can see, we are going to move to the explain the each uh, components. As you can see, pin number 1 is our charging alternator wiring lamps, and also pin number 2 is regulator, pin number 3 is alternator, pin number 4 is battery, sorry, component number 4 is battery, component 5 is starter motor, 6 oil pressure warning lamp, 7 is oil pressure switch, 8 is wiring temperature lamp, and 9 is thermostat switch, 10 is fuse, 11 is key switch, 12 is glow plug switch, and 13 is glow plugs, and 14 is solenoid switch, and 15 is delay fuse can be fitted if required. So first of all, as you can see here, we start from pin 1. Okay, first of all we are going to start from the ignition key. Okay, as you can see here, 11, this is our ignition key switch. Okay, as you can see here, ignition key switch, the wiring is starting from the ignition key switch. Okay, as you can see here, the ignition key switch have only separate pins, pin 17, 19 and pin 50. Okay, and also as you can see, the 13 is our glow plugs. We have 3-cylinder engine, also have 3 glow plugs. Okay, as you can see, from the ignition key switch, pin number 17 is directly going to the ignition, from the ignition key switch to the glow plugs. Okay, let's be done. Okay, now let's move to the as you can see, pin number 17 and pin number 19, between we have a glow plugs. Okay, as you can see, pin number here is a component number 12. As you can see, glow plug signal, this is our glow plug signal. Okay, we need to connect the glow plug signal here. Okay, also as you can see, from the accessory AC. Okay, accessory, as you can see here, we have a fuse, and then out to the, it's going to the 14. Okay, as you can see, it's going to the 14. As you can see here, components number 14, this is our fuel stop solenoid, okay, from the accessory. This is the simple block diagram, but actually we need to install the relay for it, because we can connect directly each components through the, especially the big carry ampere components, we need to install the relay first for the control, okay, like starter motor, fuel stop solenoid, okay. So we explained the glow plugs, the fuel stop solenoid, and the glow plug signal, okay, from the accessory. As you can see, the accessory wire is divided to the each components. As you can see here, 6, 8, and down middle 7, 9, which is that component. Okay, as you can see here, 6 is our oil pressure warning lamp, 7 is our oil pressure switch, and 8 is water temperature warning lamp, and 9 is thermostat switch. Okay, this is all the safety switches and indications. Okay, as you can see, the pin 6, sorry, the component number 6 and 8, and also 7 and 9, okay, all is connected to series and finally to ground. Okay, as you can see, next move to the, as you can see here, we have number 2. Okay, number 2 component. What is our number 2 component? As you can see, number 2 component is our regulator. Okay, as you can see, this picture, actual picture of the regulator, as you can see on screen here, we have GYRB. Okay, GYRB, it's the wiring pins and also the wiring color code: gray, yellow, red, black. Okay, from the fuel stop solenoid, one wire is directly coming to the, as you can see here, to the Y. That's we need to connect with the Y. Okay, and also the red is going directly, as you can see, the red wire is directly going to the ignition key. As you can see, this is one, this is directly going to the ignition key switch pin number 30, and also coming, also splice attached with the starter motor. Okay, pin component number 5 connected with the B. As you can see, or 5 number is starter motor. Okay, as you can see here, connected with the B. Okay, then the B, another, the starter motor another side is controlled by the ignition key pin number 50. As you can see, S means signal. Okay, understand. And the B, as you can see, also spliced with the battery positive. This all the battery positive, as you can see here, from the pin 30 to the B positive is connected to the ignition key 30, and also the starter motor battery side positive, and also connected with the battery positive. Okay, and also connected with the voltage regulator R point. Okay, which is red wire. Okay, finally, as you can see, the regulator last one is B. Okay, as you can see, B is our regulator ground. Okay, B is our regulator ground, which is black wire. We can connect with the anywhere with the engine chassis. Okay, and also, as you can see, component number 3, which is the lift side of the regulator. Okay, which is mentioned with the SB. As you can see, here, 3, that's our alternator. Okay, alternator also I predefined before starting in the video. This has separate alternator which is also only producing AC voltage. Okay, not directly DC. Okay, then regulator convert to the DC. Okay, the alternator 2 wire is directly coming and to the regulator. Okay, connect to the regulator. Okay, this is the regulator wiring also. Okay, and one thing is last one, which is, as you can see, number one, which is what is number one. As you can see, the alternator wiring length. Okay, what alternator wiring length we need to, from the regulator G, as you can see, gray wire is directly going to the warning lamp one side, and another side is will be connected to the ground. Okay, as you can see, to the ground. Okay, or with the charging alternator neutral wire. Okay, that's the complete wiring diagram of the Perkins 403C model 3-cylinder engine. If you have further any question, please write comment below in comment section. I will give you the complete wiring diagram PDF. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Allah Hafiz.